In this video, let me show you how to restore a deleted Uber trip. Now, you cannot directly restore a deleted trip within the Uber app, but you can recover the trip details and receipts. So what I mean by that is there are a few ways on how you can do this. The first way is going to be to check your registered email. So you can quickly head over to your Gmail or any other service provider, and you'll need to search the receipt that the Uber sends as soon as a Uber trip is completed. You can simply head over to the email and you'll be able to view the exact details of this particular trip. The second thing that you can do is request to download your data inside of Uber. So what you can do is tap on the account option, head over to settings, and then head over to privacy. Inside of the privacy center, you can scroll left and you'll be able to see the exact section which says, would you like a copy of your personal data? You can simply tap on the request option, which will then prompt you to add in a code that has been sent to your registered mobile number so that you can successfully download this file. Now, in the case that you're trying to contact Uber directly, what you can also do is head over to the help section so that you can tell them exactly what their issue is. So head over to the help section, tap on one of these options, and you'll be able to see a section which says chat with us. You can simply tap on this option so that you'll be able to directly chat with them on the exact issue that you're facing. So using one of these methods, you'll be able to restore your deleted Uber trip. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next video.